Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is creative and contains a very beautiful pattern of unique ideas and hand embroidery design related to women fashion world. But before going into the details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And please make a habit of leaving comments below my videos so that I could get to know what you want me to share and what you are liking about my content and what you want me to share in my upcoming new videos. I always welcome your opinions, suggestions and requests, so I hope that you will listen to my requests and keep supporting us and keep watching my content as you always have been. Friends, for getting stylish, trendy and amazing ideas related to women fashion, girls fashionable accessories, hand art, hand embroidery, machine embroidery, computer embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery, crochet design patterns, knitting design ideas, baby girl dress designing, girls fashionable accessories like footwear, bags, handmade creative stuffs, jewelry design ideas, gemstones, original information and many more creativities related to home decor, do watch my channel on daily basis. We try our level best to provide beautiful, stylish, creative and trendy ideas on daily basis. The purpose of my videos is to share design ideas who are the lovers of fashion designing. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon in my upcoming videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.